Hi there, Jen here, and I am super excited to be doing a new product reveal on this Slimline Pocket die set. It is absolutely fabulous, and if you stick with me to the end of the video, I have several examples of ways that you can use this that are super fun. This die is really versatile. So it comes in three pieces. It has the main piece, which is the scallop pocket, which when folded at the score lines, it is 3.5 inches wide, which is perfect for a slimline card, but it can also be used on a 4.25 by 5.5 card. So it has the score lines already pre-scored, and then it also has some stitching on it. And then there's another piece that you can cut out and use as a pocket on the front. And that piece has stitching on it as well. And you can use this adhere to the front. You can make a window with it, so you can place it on top of the scalloped portion and die cut a little window out of it. It also comes with these little butterflies, and so it's all in one die piece. And so there's some bigger ones and then some smaller ones. But I'm going to show you the projects that I made. I will be up on the Whimsy channel on February 5th showing you how I made this card. This is my favorite. I absolutely love how this turned out. And for this one I used the scallop die along with some other dies from Whimsy and the peking giraffe. But if you have the hey ostrich or the wonky donkey, those would fit awesome in these as well. And for this next slimline card, I put the scallop pocket on the inside as a money holder. You can also use it as a gift card holder. And so that's another idea. And then this last idea is I took two of these scalloped dies and hooked them together and made little treat boxes. So they're perfect for like a candy bar, or these have a Kit Kat, a Reese's, and then one of them even has a window in it where I put some hearts for candies. And then I just put a little bit of filling in the box and added some twine along with a gift tag. And I think these are super cute, perfect for work gifts. But this just shows the versatility of the die. You can do so many things with it. So I just love it when you can get one product and make so many different things out of it. And links for the products will be listed below. I hope you check out all of the items in the new release. It's an awesome release. Until next time, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you soon.